As a homeowner in Deltona, you know how important it is to maintain a comfortable indoor environment while keeping energy costs under control. With Florida's often hot and humid summers, paired with the occasional chilly winter nights, finding ways to optimize your home's energy efficiency is essential. One of the most effective, and often overlooked, upgrades is installing energy-efficient doors. Energy-efficient doors are designed to keep the temperature inside your home stable by preventing heat loss in the winter and reducing heat gain in the summer. If you're looking for a smart upgrade for your home, here's why energy-efficient doors are a must-have for Deltona homeowners. Lower energy bill. One of the most immediate benefits of upgrading to energy-efficient doors is the reduction in energy bills. In Deltona, high temperatures in the summer lead to a reliance on air conditioning to keep your home comfortable, and cooling costs can quickly add up. Similarly, in the cooler months, the use of heating systems can increase your energy consumption. Traditional doors, especially older models, often have poor insulation, allowing cool air to escape and hot air to enter. This forces your HVAC system to work harder to maintain the desired temperature. Energy-efficient doors, on the other hand, are designed with superior insulation that reduces air transfer, keeping your indoor air at a comfortable temperature year-round. These doors create a tighter seal, preventing drafts and helping your air conditioning and heating system perform more efficiently. As a result, you'll notice a significant reduction in your monthly energy costs. Improved comfort year-round. In addition to saving on your energy bills, energy-efficient doors improve the overall comfort of your home. Without a well-insulated door, your home may experience cold spots in the winter or feel stuffy and warm in the summer, making it harder to enjoy your living space. Energy-efficient doors help maintain a consistent indoor temperature by blocking heat in the summer and trapping warmth inside during the cooler months. With a tighter seal and better insulation, these doors eliminate the uncomfortable drafts that can occur with older models. In Deltona, where weather patterns can change from day to night, energy-efficient doors ensure that your home stays at the perfect temperature without having to constantly adjust your thermostat. Durability and long-term value. Energy-efficient doors are built to last, providing both durability and value for homeowners. Many of these doors are constructed from strong, low-maintenance materials like fiberglass, steel, or composite, which are more resistant to damage from the elements compared to traditional wood doors. In Deltona, where humidity, rain, and salt exposure from the coastal air can damage wood doors, energy-efficient doors are a more durable solution. These doors are also resistant to warping, rotting, and decaying, which can be a common problem with older doors exposed to the elements. This makes them an excellent investment for homeowners looking for a long-term solution that won't require frequent repairs or replacements. Installing energy-efficient doors increases the value of your home, making it more attractive to potential buyers if you ever decide to sell. Enhanced security. In addition to energy efficiency, many energy-efficient doors are designed with added security features to help protect your home. These doors are often made from stronger materials like steel or fiberglass that provide better protection against break-ins compared to standard wooden doors. Many models also feature multi-point locking systems that engage at several points along the door frame, making it more difficult for intruders to force entry. If you're looking to enhance the security of your home while also improving its energy efficiency, installing an energy-efficient door offers the best of both worlds. Environmentally friendly. For homeowners in Deltona who are looking to make more sustainable choices, energy-efficient doors are an excellent investment. Insulation of your home, these doors reduce the amount of energy needed to maintain a comfortable temperature, which in turn reduces your home's overall carbon footprint. By using less energy, you're contributing to energy conservation efforts and helping to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Energy-efficient doors are often made from recyclable materials and are built to last, ensuring that they won't need to be replaced frequently, further benefiting the environment. These small changes to your home can have a big impact on your overall environmental footprint. Aesthetic appeal. Energy-efficient doors don't just improve the functionality of your home, they also enhance its curb appeal. With a variety of designs, colors, and finishes available, you can find an energy-efficient door that complements your home's style, whether you prefer a modern, traditional, or contemporary look. Adding a new front door or upgrading your existing doors can increase the overall aesthetic of your home's exterior, making it more inviting and appealing. Whether you're looking to replace your entry door or upgrade your sliding doors, an energy-efficient door is a stylish and practical option. Noise reduction. In addition to keeping your home comfortable, energy-efficient doors also help reduce external noise. Whether you live in a busy neighborhood or near a main road, the added insulation and energy-efficient doors can reduce sound transmission, making your home quieter and more peaceful. Conclusion: upgrade your Deltona home with energy-efficient doors. For Deltona homeowners, upgrading to energy-efficient doors is one of the smartest investments you can make. These doors provide a range of benefits, including lower energy bills, increased comfort, improved security, and enhanced curb appeal. Whether you're looking to make your home more energy efficient, boost its value, or simply create a more comfortable living environment, energy-efficient doors are the perfect upgrade. Make the smart choice today and start enjoying the long-term benefits of energy-efficient doors in your Deltona home.